Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Monroe County in east central Ohio, southern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania,
hope I didn't turn off the heater.
Southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Monongalia County in northern West
we're in
Virginia,
this.
northeastern Wendell County in northern West Virginia, northern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia,
we're in Monongalia,
northern West Virginia, until 4 p.m.
Yeah, but not for
At 2:56 p.m., the dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Ewenwood to 9 miles northeast of New Martinsville, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
First Lord I've caught in a long while.
Intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, travel will become difficult.
VAQ might not actually really address now I think about it.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 4 and 31. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 57. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 66 and 99. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 31.
What did you say?
Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 152 and 160. Locations in
Welcome to Chrysler.
Morgantown, Greensburg, Uniontown, Jeanette, Latrobe, Connellsville, Waynesburg, Westover, Star City, Montesson, California, and Denora. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow
Well, I
squall.
didn't know what I was doing with it.
Be alert for sudden whiteout
It
conditions.
sucks that you're not driving your hybrid.
I know. You love my hybrid, don't you?
I make fun of you, not because the hybrid, because it's a CRV. Or not a
This is
CRV.
the weather radio.
RAV4, whatever it is. Like, do I want to save the environment or do I want to haul giant loads?
You just turned it off. What are you doing?
Trying to turn it back on so they could enjoy their music.
No, well,
I'm listening to my own music.
are you?
Yeah. I don't really care. I wasn't even really paying attention.
Well, I
I'm
listen.
on my phone listening to music, just scrolling through Instagram. So, that's about it.
I've got YouTube music, so I'm happy.
I got Apple Music.
Well, I'm a Pixel user. Oh, also, Becky. I've got a little something that I can give a good proper testing to in Ohio that I think you might enjoy.
Okay.
It's in the bag. Not my iFixit toolkit. Not my big power strip tower. Not that radio. Not that. Where is it? Not a slab of plastic.
Jocelyn, your mom called me this morning. Yeah. I told her I'd have to. I was driving when she called me, so we'll have to call her later and give her the address. Yes, there are a lot of enterprises in Charleston. What are you doing now there?
Do you recognize this?
What is it?
The Victor Reader Trek.
Oh.
So it's basically a Victor Reader stream, but it's got GPS built in.
Oh, wow. Where'd you get that?
Oh,
DRS?
not DRS, Library Commission actually. Library Commission, it's on basically a lifelong loan to me. Victoria has one as well.